Hi, this is Michael Sandler with Fisher-Sandler, and I want to talk to you today about paperwork. Paperwork. So filing a bankruptcy case means filing about 50 pages or so of forms with the court. That's a lot of forms. Where do I get all the information to fill out those forms? I get it from you, and I need to get a lot of stuff from you so I can fill out all those forms. I need to have you fill out a questionnaire. It's about 15 pages, and it's getting into great detail everything that we probably already started talking about on the phone. Your assets, your debts, your monthly income and expenses, and a whole bunch of miscellaneous questions that might seem kind of weird, but there's a space for all those weird things in the bankruptcy forms. In addition to that, I need at least 6 months of your payroll records, pay stubs. And that means for you, and if you have a spouse, it means for your spouse as well. Now, even if your spouse isn't filing bankruptcy, I do still need to get their pay stubs. Their name isn't going to be on any of the paperwork, but we do need those numbers to fill out the forms. In addition to pay stubs, I need tax returns, your last 2 years' tax returns. A lot of people confuse the W-2 form with the actual tax return. The tax return means your federal income tax return that goes to the IRS and your state income tax return that goes to Virginia. So it's usually at least 10 pieces of paper. The W-2 is good also, but I need your last 2 years. I also need bank statements, your last 3 months' bank statements. Why am I asking for your bank statements? I'm asking for those because I want to see if there's anything unusual going on in your bank account that might get somebody from the government's attention or get a trustee's attention. And I want to make sure that I'm heading off any issues before we're surprised with anything. Any unusual deposits, that type of thing. Now, in addition to those, I'm going to ask you for any bills that you have. Now, I'm not looking for your utility bills, really. I'm looking for all your medical bills, your credit card bills, collections, that type of thing. I'm going to pull your credit report, but I need all those bills as well if you have them. It just helps to make sure we have all the correct information. In addition to that, there's forms, IDs, that type of thing. But the point is that there's a lot I need to get from you before we can file your case. Even if it's an emergency filing to stop a foreclosure, to stop a lawsuit or a garnishment, I still need all of this stuff up front. It's a package I will typically give you in my office or email it to you. So paperwork. We love our paperwork. We need our paperwork. It's something that you need to take very seriously. And once you get it all to me, then I'll take it from there. But that's something you need to do on the front end. If you have any questions about any of this, please give us a call or shoot us an email. Hi, this is Michael Sandler with Fisher-Sandler, answering your quick bankruptcy questions with quick answers. So one question that comes up from time to time is people want to know if bankruptcy has any kind of